Hello students, in this module we are gonna practice few editing exercises of English grammar topic which is a part of term 2. Let us start with the very first exercise. Dear students, I'm giving you one valuable tip, that is when you start doing the exercise of editing, first you see that which tense is used in the entire passage. Accordingly, make use of tenses in the rest of the passage. Now read the very first line, that is Balu used to sit on front of the National Bank. The words used to clearly state that this passage is given in past tense. In the first line, there is an error of preposition, that is on, and the correct answer will be Balu used to sit in front of the National Bank. Now just check the next line, National Bank, the farmer's which. So children, there is no problem with National Bank. There is no problem with the farmers. That means the problem is with which. And why which is wrong? Because which is used with non-living things, whereas the farmers are living beings. So which is going to be replaced by who. The farmers who were in need of money want. We know students that the passage is given in past tense, so there is no problem with were in need of money. That means the problem is in want. Instead of want, the correct answer will be wanted. The farmers who were in need of money wanted to get loans of the bank. There is no error in to get loans. There is no error in the bank. That means the problem is in the preposition of. And why is it so? Because loans are taken from the bank. Moving on to next line, that is they will go to him. Balu would. The error is easily spotted because as we know the passage is in past tense, and in this line the first word will, that is given in future tense, so this is an error and it is going to be replaced by would. Balu would help them to fill on the application forms. I don't find any error in Balu would help them to fill. That means the error is in the remaining line, that is on the application forms. Here the error is preposition on. Why so? Because we fill in the application forms, not on the application forms. Moving on to exercise 2. Margot was worried on the education of his son. First answer is already given, that is Margot was worried about the education of his son. And you can also see that the passage is given in past tense. He wants him to pass. The error is easily spotted in this line. Wants is wrong and the correct answer will be wanted. He wanted him to pass BA in a college, but his son Balu. BA in a college? Isn't it children? It's sounding quite odd. Why so? Because BA is done from a college, not in a college. Balu did not wanted to even touch a book. Always remember children that simple past tense cannot be used at two places. Already it is used in did, so it won't be applied in the main verb, that is want. The error in this line is wanted and it is going to be replaced by want. Margot used to visit Balu's school. In this line, as the passage is given in past tense, use will be replaced by used to. Margot used to visit Balu's school to request her teachers to help him in his studies. As Balu is a boy, so her teachers is wrong. The correct answer is his teachers. Moving on to last exercise, that is exercise 3. I met her by chance, then I. The answer for the first line is already given. I met her by chance, then I. I met her by chance when I went to getting some medicine. In this line, the error is getting because the correct answer is I went to get some medicine. I went to get some medicine which sister Amy used to give. This passage is also given in past tense, so here the error is use. So the correct answer will be used to. It was amazing for meet mother. In this line, the preposition for is incorrect and the correct answer will be to. It was amazing to meet mother. I start loving just her presence, as the passage is in past tense. So the answer will be I started loving just her presence. So here start is incorrect and the correct answer is started. I hope this topic is clear in your mind now. Children, you can check few more exercises on this channel for practice. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.